Everybody, it's Erica the Stylist. Today I wanted to do a Louis Vuitton review on one of my favorite bags. I have had this bag for about a year and it's very versatile. I've been able to carry it so many different ways and use it for so many different functions. If you're interested in seeing what bag I'm talking about, stay tuned. Last year I talked about getting rid of one of my favorite bags, my Métis, because they had a recall on it. And when I returned that bag to the store, of course they gave me a credit and I was able to pick something of equal or higher value, and then I would have to put the difference with the bag if I wanted to get something different. So I decided to take my prized possession, my baby, my Métis, back to Louis Vuitton.
I'll think of you every step of the way.
Because I didn't want to have any problems with paying so much for a bag. You don't want to have something that's going to have flaws. So I ended up getting a really cute, dainty, girly bag, and some of you already know what bag I'm talking about, but if you don't, let me show you. Here she is, and I have her stuffed right now. This is the Clapton Magnolia, however you want to say it. I'm not French, so I say it like a girl from the Midwest, but it's a Magnolia Clapton bag in Magnolia. I like to call it Rose Ballerine because that's what all my other pink things are called. I don't know why they named this one Magnolia, but that's the name of the bag. It's a small backpack and it's very, very versatile. Here are the straps. It has a nice top handle. I love the way that you open and close it. You push on that lock and then you just open it up and then you push down to close. It's very spacious on the inside. So like I said, I have it stuffed right now and my bag is loved. Okay, it's really loved on. So it's got like a little dirty on the inside, but I have it stuffed. But it has a pocket right here, and it's big enough to fit my iPhone 11 Pro Max. Like I said, it's worn, so it's a little dirty on the inside, but it's pretty deep, and it stretches out pretty big, so I can fit like a full-size wallet in here, sunglasses, hand sanitizer, lotion. I'll do like a what's in my bag so you can see in depth what all I can fit in this bag. But just talking about the practicality of it, I really, really like it. I wanted to get a backpack purse when I purchased my Coach backpack from the Coach outlet maybe a year or 2 years ago. That bag is so functional. It's great for a mommy when you're on the go, when you have to have like diapers or a change of clothes or just whatever you need on a regular daily basis. So once I got that Coach bag, I'm like, I want to get a Louis Vuitton backpack, but I haven't seen anything that was really functional. And when they offered me to bring the Métis back to the store, I'm like, oh my goodness, this is the perfect time to get a backpack. I seen the Palm Springs, that was too small for me, even the neck size. I really didn't like the way the straps were on the bag. Then there was I don't know the name of it, but I'll try to insert a picture if I find it. But there was another backpack and it had like that drawstring on there. That was pretty cute, but then it was too big. So I'm like, I need something that I can like carry but be functional and still cute and go with a lot of different things, because I don't really have a style. I just, whatever I'm feeling like, that's what I put on. And so I needed a bag that would go with that, and that is really what this bag is. It's a chameleon. So if you take off the two straps, it turns into almost like a fun night on the town evening bag where you can carry top handle and you can just carry it and that be that. But then if you want to take it with you to, let's say, Disney, an amusement park, you want to go to the mall, you have to have the kids on hand. You just take these straps and put the straps back on there, and then it turns back into a backpack. Also, if you wanted to wear it as a crossbody bag, you just take one of these straps, elongate it, and then you can wear it across your body. What I also like is I purchased a strap for my Métis bag, and it happened to be pink. It was a gift from my husband. Let me show you. So even though this is the monogram print, I dance to the beat of my own drum, and I carry it on this bag, the damier print, and it's super cute. It just changes the whole dynamic of the bag. You really don't see the monogram, and I crossbody it like so, and it looks super cute. What I also like is if you don't want to carry it as just a backpack where you wear both straps on your back, I'll take one of the straps off. Okay, you put one on the top and then clamp one on the bottom, and then you can turn it into a crossbody backpack. I really like to wear a crossbody, especially if I'm going out to the mall or if I'm going to the grocery store. This bag has been so perfect for my life. I'm not sure if it's still available on the Louis Vuitton website, but if it is and you're looking for a backpack and you don't want a bag that everyone has, the Clapton is the perfect bag to get. It's perfect for a girl on the go, a mommy on the go, just anybody who wants to have like a fun girl. I can put a lot of stuff in my bag, but it's still not too big type of backpack or bag, if that makes sense. I absolutely love this bag. There are a few drawbacks. The things that I don't like about the bag, it came with these straps, and the straps have these little belt loops on there. Well, whenever I go to take off the strap to change the bag, you know, wear it as crossbody or anything like that, they fall off easily. They literally just come right off. Now, I had to pull it off on camera, but I've already lost one of these, and I had to get it replaced by Louis Vuitton, which they didn't cause me, it didn't cause me any problems. They didn't charge me. I just went into the store and they noted what happened, and then they shipped me out a new set. Yeah, I don't like that these just literally come off, and I didn't even know where it had came off. It was just gone. One day I was trying to make my bag, you know, fit right, and it wouldn't fit good anymore. Another thing that I don't like about the bag is when you open and close it. Now, opening and closing it is perfectly fine. It is almost like, you know, if somebody tried to pickpocket you, they won't be able to do it because the way the clasp is. But when you get ready to close it sometime, if you're not paying attention, you'll want to push on this, and that's a bad habit that I've made, and it caused the bag right here to separate away from the leather, the other leather. So this part is flush, and then this part is like sticking out a little bit. I'm going to probably have to put it away, and the way I lay it in the bag will kind of make it lay back down, but I don't like that. So now I've been making a conscious effort to close the bag from the top, but it's so annoying because when you're out and about, you're opening, you're grabbing stuff, you really don't think to just push on the top of the bag. Other than those two things, I absolutely love this bag. It is the perfect backpack. It's super cute, super functional, and you get a lot of bang for your buck. I believe it retails for $2,210, and yes, that's a little steep for a bag of this size that doesn't have any feet. But then again, it's so versatile, and you can do so many different things with it. You can put a bando on the strap. You don't have to worry about the handle getting dark. And then, like I said, you can fit quite a bit of things in this bag. I'll be doing a what's in my bag for this one, so you can kind of get an idea of how many things that you can put in here. But I really like it, and if you were thinking about getting it, just go ahead, click it, push the button, and put it in your cart. But yeah, I absolutely love this bag. I also wanted to show you a couple new goodies that my husband purchased for me for Valentine's Day and my birthday and Christmas. So these are just like a little show and tell. This first item is, and you know what? This is so bad, but I don't even know the name of this wallet. But here's the receipt. He got me 2 items for Valentine's Day. And yes, that's what it's called. Here it is. And I got the Emily wallet. And I was so excited to get this because I bought this, my sisters and I bought my mom one of these for Christmas a few years back, and I really love her wallet. Now when she got it, they had the green, which is my favorite color, but they no longer carry that, and I'm not into buying pre-loved pieces. That's just not my thing. I have nothing against that, but I like the whole experience, and so to get the whole experience for me is to basically save up the money, go buy the bag. You know, I really don't even want to order them. So I know my husband probably wanted to buy me something like this for Mother's Day, but I'll wait till things get back to normal and I can go into the store and pick me out something, because when you make an investment like that, for me, I just like the whole experience. It might be silly, but that's just me. Anywho, this is the Emily wallet, and it's in the rose ballerine, and I love it. It's such a functional wallet. Like, it has so many compartments in here. Then it has 6 slots for your cards, and then my favorite part, which is the zip. I love this wallet. I'm so happy to have it. I can carry it without carrying a purse if I just wanted to, you know, grab this and go and run a couple errands or anything like that. Then it goes with my Magnolia backpack, so the pink on pink, I can stick it in there. Super cute. This retails for $510, and like I said, I got this for Valentine's Day. Hubby surprised me, and I was very surprised because it was like the end of the day and he just came up to my job with a Louis Vuitton bag. So I'm like, ah. Another new item that I got is something else that hubby picked out for me. I didn't tell him that I wanted this. He just did his thing. But it's in here. And it is the Bando, and this one is basically like a cream color with a bunch of pink and red in there, but it's called the Tree of Louis. And I love this Bando. We had quite a few vacations planned for this year, and this would have been the perfect little item to go with my beach hair. My waves, when I wet it, it's gonna be long and voluminous, and when you don't want to hit them edges, I just throw my Bando on, or I can put it around my I like to wear it underneath my collar and just let it hang on my blue jean jacket. It is super cute. I'm gonna do a lookbook, and then you'll see how I style it. But I love bandos. I'm not a big fan of wrapping it around my purse. I like to wear it some type of way. But I was surprised that he purchased this for me, and he picked it out all on his own. So I thought this was super cute, and I always like when he picks things out for me because, you know, it's got a little more sentimental value. But I love this, and I think it retailed, this one retailed for $190. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the items that I have to show you today. I hope you enjoyed my review on my Clapton bag and the 2 little special goodies that I wanted to show you all. I did get something new for my birthday and something new for Christmas, but I'm going to save those and show them to you in another video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!